What's up YouTube, I'm back again with another video, and right now I will be showing you how I really made the thumbnail for this beautiful course VideoPad from Vloggers. So yeah, firstly I had to take that screenshot because that's exactly what I will be working on to create the thumbnail for this. I know a lot of people they've been waiting for this course, and I'm really proud to see all the love you guys been showing for this course. So the first thing you need to do obviously is to chop or to cut whatever you prefer to do and go and paste it to the white layer. So the white layer is on full HD, of which is 1080 pixel. Then you try to enlarge it. So yeah, enlarging it just generally making sure that it fits that square, because you don't want when someone see your thumbnail and be had that white kind of spot on it. So you definitely, you already know, if you're a big fan of this channel, you gotta find ways to make a thumbnail look interesting to someone. So okay, I was thinking a lot of things, so I decided to make maybe a black layer, just because I wanted my thumbnail to have a little bit of a circle on the top left, if I'm not mistaken. On the top left, yeah, I'm creating a video that I showed you guys. So you just create a circle, you put it there on the top corner. Okay, the reason I'm doing that, I just wanted to just come with something like no one ever did before. And this is more of like a tutorial. Actually, this is a class, this is an online class, so I don't have to make those blinking so much effects. So I need, because my videos are watched by a lot of people, there are people from age 25 to 35, there are people from age 35 to 40. So those are people who are very old, so they need to understand everything from the get-go. So yeah, I had to create something very simple and something which someone can note from the distance. That's why I decided to make my text to have a yellow color there. Yeah, it looks great. So yeah, definitely gotta make your text to be small so that it can fit on the black spot. That's exactly what I did. Oh, another thing guys, can you please don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what I shall do on my next video, because yeah, I would love to know which course I shall do next, So I was just looking on my VideoPad for Vloggers. Yeah, it's a very great, powerful course, and I hope you guys learned a lot from this course. So what I had to do next, I did notice my it has a shadow, so I had to turn off the shadow. Then I have to decrease the opacity, because it was too bright. I had to make it to blend with that black color. Yeah, although some people may not see it, but it is very clear and looking great right now. So yeah, that's one of the few things I really love about this thumbnail. So I decided, okay, I'm done with putting a top black thing on the left corner, so I had to put it on another corner. So I had to come with something very different for another corner. So I decided to put this white layer, and I think a lot of my videos we have this same style. And I also did a tutorial on how to do this kind of thumbnails, of which is one of the great thumbnails. So another thing that I had to do, just so a lot, okay, I'm doing a lot of tutorial from VideoPad to Photoshop, PhotoPad to Photo Stage Pad, a lot of tutorial. So I had to get the thumbnail, I had to get a logo for VideoPad, so that someone who is his or her first time visiting the channel can see the logo for VideoPad. So I had to put the logo for VideoPad on my thumbnail, so that for someone who has PhotoPad to quickly spot, okay, obviously this specific video is about PhotoPad, or this specific course is about VideoPad. So I try to add more things. Then to say I should purchase like VideoPad, and definitely I have to purchase VideoPad. I have to purchase VideoPad because it's a very great software to do. So I had to just to save it and enter my thumbnail. So guys, did you enjoy like VideoPad for vloggers? Can you please leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite episode and which episode I should focus on. So yeah, so I decided to say new project, and I quickly click new. That means it'll create a little bit of a square. So because obviously when you're creating a new project, you have to have something on your project. Then I decided to reopen my thumbnail, the thumbnail I saved. So what I wanted on this thumbnail, I wanted it to have like more, I wanted it to be black. That's the only thing I wanted mostly on this thumbnail. I wanted it to be very dark. I didn't want it something very bright, because some of my people, although I don't know, I believe most of them like they wear glasses. Not most of them, but some of them do wear glasses. So I didn't want something bright which will hit their eyes. So even for me, even everything I use is on dark mode. Even my cell phone is on dark mode. So yeah guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Please watch more videos, and just watch more videos. I'll see you next time. Love you all. Thank you.